Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use GPS on Fitbit Sense 2. The Sense 2 comes equipped with built-in GPS, allowing you to precisely track your outdoor activities like runs, walks, and bike rides. This means you can leave your phone at home and still get detailed route maps, accurate distance measurements, and real-time pace data directly from your wrist. It's a fantastic feature for anyone looking to enhance their fitness tracking with greater independence and precision. To activate GPS, simply swipe left on your Sense 2's display until you find the exercise app. Tap on it, then choose an outdoor activity such as run or walk. Before you start, your Sense 2 will display connecting GPS as it searches for a satellite signal. This usually takes a few seconds, but can take up to 1 minute in new locations. Once connected, the icon will turn solid, indicating you're ready to go. Once GPS is connected, press the physical button on the side of your Sense 2 to start your workout. Your watch will immediately begin tracking your activity, showing you live metrics such as your current pace, the distance covered, and the duration of your exercise. When you're finished, simply press the side button once more to pause, and then swipe up to end and save your workout data. It's that simple to capture your outdoor adventures. After syncing your Sense 2 with the Fitbit app on your smartphone, you can dive into all your detailed GPS data. Open the app, tap on your completed exercise, and you'll find a wealth of information. This includes an interactive map of your route, precise pace charts, and even elevation profiles. It's a fantastic way to review your performance, explore new routes, and track your progress over time with rich visual insights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.